prep for 3-7. Let's look at these prep skill questions. So translate each statement into symbols. According to a report on CNN Money in 2015, 869,000 new pieces of computer malware were released per day in that year. Write an expression for the number released in X days. So as you think about it, hopefully you are realizing that expression should be 869,000 times X. X is the number of days. B, if you owe your parents $600 and pay them $50 per month, write an expression describing how much you owe after n months. So they're not looking for an equation here, they just want an expression. So to start with, you owe them $600. Now as you pay this off, how much you owe them should be going down, right? So that means we'll be subtracting the $50 per month. Number 2, the table describes the amount of money earned by a cotton candy vendor at the ballpark based on how many bags that she sells. Draw a graph of the data. So this is going to be a little messy. We see that the input, the bags, is positive. The output, the money earned, is also positive. So it appears that we only need the first quadrant of our graph. Okay, so the input, as I just got through saying, is bags. And the output was money earned. And that would be in dollars, right? So it looks like we could go up by 20 for our number of bags of cotton candy. And for the money earned, let's go ahead and go up by 10. So I think that'll be actually pretty good. So 10, 20, 30, 40, I think that's more than enough. So let's plot the points. 0, 0, 28, 40, 16, 60, 24, 80, 32. All right, looks like we have a linear relationship. In fact, specifically, it looks like a direct variation situation because we're going through the origin. All right, so 3 asks us to find the slope of our graph, describe what it means. All right, I'm going to go ahead and use points 0, 0, and 28. Please pause the video and see if you can't find that slope on your own. So did you get the slope to be 0.4? I hope so. But remember, it's so important to understand what this means. So that will mean the vendor earns 40 cents for every bag of popcorn she sells. I'll write that down real quickly. Okay, so we're dealing with cotton candy. I can't remember if I just got through saying popcorn, but sorry about that. Okay, so number 4, they ask us, what is the Y-intercept of your graph? So remember, the Y-intercept is always going to be of the form 0, something. So I'm going to look for where my input is 0. And here where my input is 0, my output is 0. So what does that mean? Well, if she sells 0 bags of cotton candy, how much will she make? She will make $0. That makes sense, doesn't it?